Welcome to Badas Home Design. Today we're diving into 2026 interior styles, sustainable spaces, and nature-inspired homes. In the next few minutes, you'll discover practical, beautiful ways to invite nature into every room while prioritizing low-impact materials, energy-smart choices, and timeless aesthetics. This video is a fast tour of 8 inspiring design ideas you can adapt immediately, from biophilic layouts to reclaimed material accents. If you love interiors that feel calm, efficient, and connected to the outdoors, you're in the right place. Stay with us for fresh tips and visual cues that make green living look irresistible. Start with space planning that celebrates nature. Biophilic foundations prioritize sightlines to plants, natural light paths, and circulation that mimics outdoor flows. Think generous window seats, living walls as focal points, and furniture arranged to frame views rather than block them. In 2026, designers pair passive ventilation strategies with visual greenery to make rooms feel healthier and larger. Use low partition zoning and organic curves to break up rigid geometry and encourage movement. This approach isn't just pretty, it improves mood, acoustics, and air quality. Adopt simple changes in layout, and you'll transform a boxy room into a serene, nature-connected sanctuary. Materials tell your home's sustainability story. In 2026, prioritize reclaimed timber, rapidly renewable cork, low VOC finishes, and terrazzo made from recycled glass. These materials bring textured warmth while cutting embodied carbon. Layer textiles like hemp, linen, and organic cotton to create tactile depth without harsh chemicals. Consider visible joinery and honest finishes that age beautifully. Patina becomes a design asset. Small swaps, like switching laminate for FSC-certified wood or choosing recycled content tiles, compound into major environmental wins. Material choices should be both aesthetic and accountable. When selected thoughtfully, they become the backbone of any nature-inspired interior. Color and texture set the emotional tone. The 2026 palette leans into soft earth tones, warm clay, muted sage, pebble gray, and sun-baked ochre, paired with layered textures like woven rugs and tactile plaster. Instead of stark contrasts, favor tonal harmony that mirrors outdoor seasons. Use textured plaster or lime wash on feature walls for natural variation and improved breathability. Accent with stone or matte metals to add modern grounding. These palettes make sustainable materials sing and create a sense of continuity between indoor and outdoor. Subtle, nature-inspired color choices keep spaces feeling serene and timeless. Plants are more than decor, they're living architecture. Use vertical gardens to improve insulation and acoustics, potted clusters to define zones, and trailing species to soften shelves and beams. Choose low-maintenance, air-purifying varieties and pair them with smart watering systems for minimal upkeep. In compact homes, modular plant racks serve double duty as privacy screens and humidity regulators. Integrating plants into cabinetry or window niches turns greenery into an intentional structural element. Thoughtful plant placement increases biodiversity at home while making interiors feel alive, an unmistakable hallmark of nature-inspired design. Sustainability in 2026 is smart, not flashy. Integrate passive solar shading, high-performance glazing, and zoned HVAC with efficient heat pumps to cut energy use. Layer in smart thermostats and daylight sensors to reduce waste without sacrificing comfort. Consider radiant flooring for efficient heat distribution and ceiling fans for gentle airflow. Lighting should rely on tunable LEDs and layered fixtures to mimic natural cycles. These systems work behind the scenes to keep spaces cozy while shrinking utility bills. The goal is invisible efficiency, technology that supports a nature-first aesthetic without compromising design integrity. Furniture in sustainable homes must multitask. Think modular seating built from recycled foam, storage benches with integrated planters, and convertible systems that reduce footprint. Designers in 2026 favor pieces with repairable frames and replaceable upholstery, plus transparent sourcing labels so owners can shop responsibly. Use lightweight, durable materials for outdoor to indoor furniture to blur boundaries. Custom joinery that hides storage preserves clean sight lines while keeping clutter out of view. When furnishings are designed for longevity and adaptability, they extend the life cycle of the home and support a lower consumption lifestyle. Kitchens become sustainability hubs, compact, efficient, and waste-wise. Microgreen kitchens emphasize induction cooking, compost systems, and stacked recycling with clear access. Use open shelving for breathable storage of ceramics and glass, and incorporate dedicated spaces for bulk goods to reduce packaging. Smart sinks with gray water diverters and herb-growing windowsills turn routine tasks into regenerative practices. Choose durable surfaces that are easy to repair rather than replace. This approach makes daily routines greener and more graceful, a practical way to merge design with responsible living in every home. Design that supports rest is central to nature-inspired homes. Carve small wellness nooks for meditation, stretching, or reading, using natural light, acoustic panels, and soft textures. Bedrooms become sleep sanctuaries with blackout layers, breathable mattress materials, and circadian-friendly lighting. Use sound-dampening textiles and indoor greenery to create restorative microclimates. 2026 incorporate interior storage to keep sustainable spaces and nature-inspired fades when spaces are tidy. If you enjoy these thoughtful retreats, please like, well-being, comment and which sustainable living feel nurturing and not subscribe austere. To Badas Home Design small for intentional design guides sleep and relaxation zones. Deliver outsized benefits so you don't miss the next deep dive into materials, layouts, and eco-friendly hacks. See you in the next video. And remember, small, intentional choices make a big difference for the planet and your home.